And our Deputy Editor Ashar Khan spoke to Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Let's take a look.
Joining us now is Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Sir, you've been campaigning for the third win. How do you see, what is the response you're getting from the public?
You see, the support which Congress is getting, and I am getting from all sections of society, on that basis I can say the Congress is going to form government third time in Haryana. Because every section is totally satisfied with the performance of the government, with the work of the government, development of the state, and inclusive development of the state has been there. So we have formulated different policies for different sections so that everybody is benefited that. So people are happy and they are going to vote for Congress again.
Sir, we've seen that the BJP is doing a lot of ad campaigns. We've seen their ads on radios. They say that compensation to farmers has not been given. Women are not safe into the state. What do you have to say to all these charges which have been leveled against you?
This is all, they are talking in air and without any knowledge. Haryana is the first state to give economic value of the land to farmers. You see, during when BJP was supporting INLD and they were in the government, you just take the example of KMP. I've got documentary proof that because Delhi is also participant in that and central government is also one of the partner and Haryana is also this Kundli Manesar Palwa road. So it is 135 kilometer long road. So compensation which was assured by Haryana government was to hardly 2 lakh rupees per acre. But when meanwhile my government came, I said no. So what is this? The total compensation at that time was to be given to those farmers was 160 crores. But meanwhile our government came, I fixed a floor rate for the whole state and gave economic value of the to farmers, and I said, no, I can't give this land at this rate. So the same land and same farmers got compensation of more than 660 crore and with annuity. See, Haryana was the first state to give annuity to the farmers. So that was the best policy. Now everybody is satisfied because before our government, BJP and INLO government, they were acquiring land for hardly for 1 lakh rupees acre, 1.5 lakh rupees acre, 2 lakh rupees acre, that's why. So that economic, real economic value has been given by our government to the farmers.
Sir, talking about Lokdal, we've seen Mr. Chautala, who's out on bail campaigning. In fact, the court has also told CBI to and pulled up the CBI. How do you respond to Mr. Chautala campaigning?
That is a sub judice matter. So I don't want to comment on that. But anything, a person should be law-abiding person.
Sir, the BJP is saying that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress president are not campaigning so actively as the Prime Minister is campaigning. What do you have to say to that, sir?
They came, Mrs. Gandhi came, and Mr. Rahul also came. They will be coming again on 11th. So they are also campaigning. They are going to Maharashtra also. And in every election, the same pattern is. But this time, the BJP, Mr. Modi, he is extensively travelling as if he is a candidate for the chief ministership.
So my last question, your General Secretary in charge, Shakil Ahmed, called the Prime Minister a habitual liar as far as the Robert Vadra land deal was concerned. The Election Commission has given you a relief. What is your response to all this?
My response is that somebody is misinforming Prime Minister. Some I don't know who are they. He is not very well informed.
You got nothing further to add, sir?
I think he is being misinformed.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Haryana Chief Minister Mr. Hooda speaking to us in Rohtak. Ashar Khan for Headlines Today.